Who doesn't love shopping? I do. I'm pretty much sure you would. So would your spouse, your partner, your friends, your family. Everyone loves shopping today. And the convenience of shopping, sitting at home, even during a pandemic, you can browse through all the gadgets you want, the fashion, lifestyle items. You can look at everything through your mobile phone. And that's the power of e commerce today. Did you know just 2% of India's retail industry is fueled by e commerce? Imagine what might be the stage when it goes to 10% or 20%. And most of this transactions happen through Amazon and Flipkart and their co-branded websites like Myntra for that matter. And this video will be about how you can save money while shopping online, especially on Amazon, on Flipkart, on Myntra, and similar websites. I will be introducing you to two very powerful credit cards. Though they are entry level credit cards, they have the power to outbeat several mid range, if not super premium cards, but at least mid range credit cards. I'm Surya from WalletWise, and this video will be about the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card and the Amazon ICICI Bank credit card. So let's jump into it and see what features and benefits this video holds for you. The beauty of the Amazon ICICI credit card is that it is linked to the Amazon Pay ecosystem. So you are not just earning some reward points that you can buy a gift catalog of products, but you can earn Amazon Pay, cash, and this can be used for paying your utility bills. You can use the Amazon Pay balance that you receive as reward points for paying, so buying a Book My Show ticket, for booking flight tickets. There's umpteen number of options that you have on Amazon Pay. The advantage of the Flipkart credit card, to the contrary, is that whatever you earn goes in as cashback. So you, let's say you've spent 100,000 rupees, that is 1 lakh rupees, and you have earned 2,000 rupees. That 2,000 rupees gets credited into your account as cashback. It's pure cash. No rewards, no air miles, no catalogs, nothing. You earn that as pure cash. Especially during this time when you really can't do anything with your air miles, cash is extremely valuable. And hence, I recommend both. In fact, not just one of these credit cards. I recommend everyone to have both these credit cards. Flipkart Axis Bank card and Amazon ICICI card are quite useful. Let's just look at what are the values that it offers. I'll put this into a table so it'll make both of our lives easier. On the Flipkart Axis Bank card, you would be earning 5% of eligible spends on Flipkart and Myntra. And the same happens in the case of the Amazon ICICI card. So any spend that you're doing on Amazon, you would earn 5%. Let's look at the features of what the Flipkart Axis Bank card gives you and what the Amazon ICICI card gives you. You earn 5% of eligible spends on Flipkart and Myntra on the Flipkart card, and 5% of eligible spends on Amazon. When you mean eligible spends, there's some exclusions on this. One, you're supposed to remove any gift card purchases, any refunds and returns are to be removed, any EMI transactions are to be removed, and gold and silver coins are to be removed. So, excluding all these categories, any other category you would earn straight 5% on either of these cards. Now, let's look at what happens when you spend on other websites. Flipkart Axis Bank has some partner offers. Currently, you have brands like Uber Eats, Uber, GoIbibo, Make My Trip, Urban Company, and a bunch of other websites. Now, you will be earning 4% of cashback on these brands. While Amazon does not have directly any partner brands, the beauty is that when you use Amazon Pay on other portals, you can earn up to 2% cashback. Another advantage of the Amazon ICICI card is that you get 2% cashback on utility bill payments using Amazon Pay, while you do not get any utility bill rewards while using the Flipkart card. The Flipkart card gives you a 1.5% cashback on all eligible spends on all other websites and POS machines. So whether it's offline, online, wherever you are, you can earn 1.5% comfortably. And when you look at the value that 1.5% is, it's much higher than several premium, super premium cards. Like you can look at, say, IndusInd Bank Indulge card, which gives you about 1.5% rewards only. And you need to give an annual fee of about a lakh of rupees for that. So considering that, this is a huge, huge advantage. The Amazon ICICI card, to the contrary, gives you 1% cashback on all other portals when you do not use Amazon Pay. Now, what happens to the cashback? In the case of the Flipkart Axis Bank card, You get cashback credited to your card account. In the case of the Amazon ICICI card, it gets credited to your Amazon Pay account. And those funds in your Amazon Pay can be used for paying your utility bills, for flight tickets. There are a number of portals that accept Amazon Pay. So it's just like an online wallet. And you can load up to 10,000 rupees every month into your wallet too. There's a bunch of other advantages. You can buy Amazon Pay vouchers on Gifter, on Woohoo, and other portals like that where you can get discounts also. So the Amazon Pay ecosystem, just like the Paytm wallet, is a very robust system, and I see a lot of value in it. Now, in terms of annual fee, the Flipkart Axis Bank card has a 500 rupee annual fee. It is waived off if you spend 2 lakh rupees per annum. And for that 500 rupees, you get a 500 rupee gift card. You get a bunch of other welcome offers. I'll put it into a link in the description below. You can look in that. Amazon card gives you a 500 rupee Amazon Pay gift voucher for signing up. There's no annual fee, there's no sign up fee, nothing at all. It's free, absolutely free. So in terms of free cards, when you look at what other credit cards offer when it's a free card, and Amazon ICICI card, this is 100 times better than any other free card I can look at in the market. In terms of lounge access, it's both of these cards, since they're mid-tier, rather entry-level credit cards, both of them are not great on the lounge access. But the Flipkart Axis Bank card gives you 4 domestic lounge access visits per annum, 1 per quarter, while the Amazon ICICI card gives you no lounge access at all. Is that a deal breaker? Again, when you're comparing this in the segment that it is in, it's not a deal breaker at all. Considering that most lounges give you 1 lounge access per quarter, if you have a Visa or a MasterCard card, it's really not a deal breaker. If you have any premium, super premium cards, then you don't need to worry about this concern at all. Since we've looked at the value that both these cards offer, the question arises, who should get this card? Is this card meant for you? Is, for example, the Amazon ICICI credit card valuable for you, or is the Flipkart card more value? I would say both of these cards have a great value, and if I had the choice, would put them into my wallet. I personally would not use them because I have other cards that give me more value. So if you are a super premium card holder like the HDFC Infinia, HDFC Diners Black, Amex Platinum Charge card, or Citi Prestige, any of these super premium cards, maybe this card is not meant for you. Similarly, if you're using mid-tier cards, like for example, the HDFC Regalia or the HDFC Diners Privilege card, which gives you 5% cashback on Amazon spends and voucher purchases. These vouchers can be used on Flipkart again, on similarly almost a bunch of other websites. Then the question arises, are these cards of value to you? I really can't say so. However, you should also note that the HDFC Smart Buy cashback is only available for the Diners Privilege and the Regalia, no other credit card. While these cards, and they're only available on Amazon at 5%, and Flipkart is only 1%, so it's not really a deal breaker. So if you're in the mid-tier credit card segment, these are 2 great cards to have. If you're also in the air miles game, you're into collecting air miles and using that for travel, using that for hotel bookings and stuff like that, then these cards don't give you great value, because what you're earning is 1 reward point or 2 reward points per 100 rupees, and that is turning into cashback, pure cashback. There is no carry forward. You're not buying air miles with that. You're not using that to travel overseas or even domestically for that matter. Hence, these cards are not meant for people in the air mile game. Now, who else is there? Anyone else who spends a lot of money online, I mean, end of the day, we all do, should have one or even both of these cards. The Flipkart card has its own advantages. For example, 1.5% cashback on all other eligible spends, even not on Flipkart and Myntra, is quite a deal breaker. At 0.5% on 1 lakh rupees transfers to about 500 rupees per month of extra earning. The Amazon card, to the contrary, gives you the advantage of the Amazon Pay ecosystem. So if you're hooked into the Amazon Pay ecosystem, you spend a lot through Amazon Pay, then the Amazon card is for you. Are these cards bad? Absolutely not. In fact, to the contrary, I would probably say they're the best entry-level credit cards in India. Probably I would just add the American Express membership reward point card in that mix with them. And similarly, the Diners Club Miles and Diners Privilege of HDFC Bank could squeeze in over there. But otherwise, most entry-level credit cards don't give you significant value. And from that perspective, I would say that the Amazon ICICI card and the Flipkart Axis Bank card are a great deal to have. That's my personal opinion. I might not use them. Again, as I said, I don't use them because I have premium cards which give me much better benefits for the same spend on Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra for that matter. So if you are not having any of the super premium cards that I mentioned, these cards are a must have. In conclusion, if you like this video, share it with your friends. I would love to see what you guys think about this video. I'm only trying to upgrade my skills and evolve better to develop more content for you. If you feel that there's some changes to be done, please comment about that. If you love the video, share it with your friends. I will see you soon. Surya from WalletWise. Subscribe to my channel over here and see you again. Bye-bye.